An avenue that showcases Indian tribal products and helps artisans connect with the mainstream population has been the National Tribal Craft Exhibition named Adi Mahotsav, the fortnight expo which recently kicked off on a grand note in capital New Delhi. Tribes from different parts of the country took part and displayed various products to visitors. Let's have a look at this colourful grand expo.
India has always been known as the land that portrays its cultural and traditional vitality through its beautiful craft products. Tribal art and craft in India is simple and ethnic, yet colourful and vibrant, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage. In a bid to promote art, craft, cuisines and culture in the national and international platform, New Delhi is hosting the fortnight exhibition of Adi Mahotsav.
This is a national tribal festival which is called Adi Mahotsav, and this gives 1,000 tribal artisans who reside in the dense forests and heartlands of the country access to large markets. Our tribal artisans are world-class producers, wonderful artisans. They make world-class things.
Over 1,000 tribal artisans from different Indian states have participated, creating a mini Mela. The 15-day-long mega event will celebrate and cherish the spirit of tribal culture and commerce. The main aim is to represent the basic ethos of tribal life and accelerating economic development among the poor, and to provide wider exposure to their artifacts in domestic as well as international markets. The festival is a feature exhibition cum sale of tribal handicrafts, paintings, fabrics, jewelries, shawls and much more through 200 stalls. The famous handmade shawls from Himachal Pradesh by local artisans and other master tribal craftsmen are attracting large numbers of visitors.
हमारा प्रोडक्ट बेसिकली कुल्लू शॉल्स है. हमारा इसी में ही काम रहता है. कुल्लू पट्टी में कुल्लू शॉल हम बनाते हैं, और हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है ये प्योर शिप वूल में बनता है. एक शॉल को बनाने में कम से कम एक दिन, और जो मैक्सिमम जो बड़ा डिज़ाइन होता है उसके लिए कम से कम 10 से 12 दिन लग जाता है.
The tribal textile manufactured by master craftsmen from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south, and from Gujarat in the west to Nagaland and Sikkim in the east is grabbing eyeballs. A display of tribal jewellery from different states reflected the effervescent tribal beauty and ethnicity. Even varieties of bamboo crafts and organic food products in the festival are pulling both domestic and international crowd as well. Besides that, various types of lip-smacking delicacies, vibrant and colourful tribal dance and songs are being showcased at the festival.
We had food from Sikkim stall, the momos. They were fabulous, excellent. And now we are trying to explore the other cuisines of India. But the first experience was the best. If your first experience is the best, then everything is going to be best, hopefully. And it was a nice change for us to come here and see things around.
The magical mystical of tribal India finds expression at Tribes India, the exclusive shop of tribal artifacts espousing tribal cause. By organizing such kinds of grand exhibitions, the people in and outside India gets a chance to see the diversity of the country.